Guys, I think I just found one of the most powerful AI tools on the market right now that can also help you make money online. The best part? It can completely replace the need to pay for expensive AI tools like ChatGPT+, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. It even has a free plan for you guys to try it out, and then the paid plans start at just $8 a month. If you're ready to streamline your business and side hustles and actually use AI tools to make money online, this is the video for you. Let's get to it. So guys, the new AI tool I'm going to talk about today is called i10X, and honestly, this thing is just packed with value. Now in this video, I'm going to run through some of its most powerful features and how you can potentially leverage them to make money online. I'm going to share how I'm going to use these features as well, and I'll kind of walk you guys through step by step on how to use i10X. Also, I know I said i10X starts at only $8 per month for the paid plans, but I talked with their team to find a way to make it even cheaper for you guys, and I have some exciting news. Their team actually gave me a unique discount code so you guys can try it out as well. And so you can try out the free plan if you want to get a feel for i10X and all of its awesome features, and then when you're ready to upgrade, you can use the discount code in the description box and pinned comment to get even cheaper plans. And with that in mind, let's get on to the main features and how you can potentially make money with i10X. And so really the first feature I want to cover, you'll see it right here when you log into your account. It's the AI chat feature on i10X, which you'll probably be familiar with if you've used other AI tools before. And really this tool is similar to using other AI chatbots that are out there on the market. However, what I love about i10X, and I'll show you here, is that you can actually select the AI model it uses to generate responses. And this includes all of the major ones like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and even DeepSeek. And this feature is honestly really nice because sometimes one AI model might be better than another AI model at doing a certain task. For example, one AI model might be better at writing code, the other one might be better at generating images, while another one might be better for blog posts. So I love that i10X gives you the flexibility to pick the model you want to use. And if you're not really sure which one to use, then there's another super cool feature called Chat Arena, which lets you compare two model prompt responses head to head. And so here's an example. For my business, I often have to write a lot of affiliate content for my different blogs. And so if I'm not sure which model to use, I can go to the Chat Arena and ask it to compare responses between models like ChatGPT-5 and Claude to see which one I like more. I'll show you guys a quick example here where I asked i10X to create a Cooper shopping extension review I'm going to post on one of my content websites. And this is nice because I can now quickly see which response I prefer, and this saves me so much time and so much money versus doing this independently on a bunch of different AI tools. And so ultimately this Chat Arena feature is already going to make me more money for my affiliate marketing businesses because I'm putting out more quality content at a faster and cheaper rate. But moving on guys, another really cool feature of i10X I'm starting to test out and really like is its video generation capabilities. And so i10X actually integrates with numerous AI video creation models to help you make your polished, ready-to-market assets for your business. And again, I'll show you guys in my account what I really like about this is once again, just like the AI chat feature, you can pick the model you want to use for video generation. This includes Sora 2, Kling, Google Veo, and older models of all of these as well. And again, you just have to give it simple prompts, pick the duration, and choose your aspect ratio. You can also give it an input reference to help with the video generation. And really, if you work in social media marketing or affiliate marketing, digital marketing, e-commerce, and you need video assets done really quickly, this is an amazing feature. And for me personally, I'm going to start using i10X to create more video and B-roll footage that I use here on YouTube and other social media platforms to promote my own digital products and affiliate offers. And again, guys, it's super simple. You just use basic prompts and you can generate ready-to-post video content for social media that drives traffic to your business, which I just think is awesome. Alright guys, and the third feature I wanted to cover really quickly in this video is i10X's ability to output really good SEO content. And so basically you can use i10X now to create really good review content, blog posts, listicles, comparison posts, tutorials, really any kind of content piece you want for your business that is optimized for search engines. It's also super easy to use, which I love. You basically enter your website, choose the topic and keywords you're targeting, select the tone of voice and some other details, and then list out your competitors. From there, i10X spits out a completely ready-to-post piece of content. But here's the thing I really like about this feature. It's not just AI slop. It's not just something you would get from a ChatGPT response. i10X actually does deep research. It scours the web and it creates content that is truly optimized for search engines, which gives you a higher chance of your content ranking on search engines, and getting traffic to your website. I've started to use this for my content websites and I've been pretty impressed so far. And again, it's doing deep research. It can take about 15 to 30 minutes for the content to actually be ready, so it does take some time, but the wait is well worth it. And again, this is way more powerful and much higher value than just using something like ChatGPT. And so really, if you have a business or a blog and you're creating this kind of SEO content, you can use something like i10X to do it for way faster and way cheaper than hiring freelancers. And again, the output quality is going to be way better than using something like ChatGPT. All right, guys, and the fourth feature I'll cover really quickly, it's i10X's ability to create images for your business. And really the idea here is similar to creating videos. You can basically do the exact same thing and create really stunning image graphics as well. It works the same, and once again, you can actually pick the model you want to use, which includes ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Flux, and DALL-E. All you have to do is enter your prompt, choose the quality, select the size, and pick your background. And you can also add reference images to help out. And again, I just want to reiterate that this is all under one single tool, so you don't have to pay for a Midjourney subscription or pay for ChatGPT Plus or spend hundreds of dollars on all of these fancy AI tools. You can pay $8 a month and get this all within i10X. The results are pretty good as well, and I'll show you some Pinterest graphics I made using i10X and the Nano Banana model to create Pinterest graphics, once again for my affiliate content business. You can see they came out pretty well, and again, I just used basic prompts. This took about 1 minute to do, so I can now post these to Pinterest and drive traffic back to my websites and turn those visitors into customers. Now, this is personally how I plan on using i10X to make money online, but really this feature could help you out in so many ways. Again, you could create Pinterest graphics for your own Pinterest affiliate marketing campaigns. You could create graphics for Instagram and social media. You could create print-on-demand designs. Really, whatever kind of graphic you need to make, you can now use i10X to do it for you very quickly. All right, guys, and one fifth and final feature I wanted to highlight really quickly on i10X is its agent marketplace. And so i10X actually has a pretty cool AI agent marketplace where you can basically find pre-built AI agents that complete a specific task for you. Now, you can also design agents yourself, but you can also click on this Discover tab right here and find some of the best pre-built agents that are ready to start using. There are also some pretty nifty, useful tools here. For example, some agents I found include ones like an AI background remover, an AI watermark remover, an AI image upscaler, and even an AI advertising generator, which is pretty cool if you work in e-commerce and you want to create new assets for your ad campaigns. And I actually tried this AI advertising agent out just to see what it could do, and I'm pretty impressed. I mean, it made these graphics which are ready to post on Facebook or Instagram ads, and honestly, all I had to do was give it an image, some basic prompting, and it created some pretty decent advertisements for me. Again, this is really scratching the surface here, and there are so many agents that can help you out with digital marketing, social media marketing, e-commerce, you name it. This is packed with features, so I definitely recommend you guys sign up and scroll through the agent marketplace to see what would help you with your business. But anyways, guys, those are some of the main features on i10X you can start using to potentially make money online, save money with your business, and ultimately just work more efficiently. There are some other cool features I'm going to highlight really quickly as well, because again, this thing is just packed with value and I've really liked testing it out so far. And the first is i10X's deep research capabilities. And so you can basically get i10X to do live research and scrape the web for you, which is really an amazing way to do competitive research and even lead generation for your business. There's also a PDF and docs tool. And so this basically brings the power of conversational AI right to your documents. So you can chat within your PDF, just like you're chatting with ChatGPT, to get insights, to look through data, and to understand the content more. Again, I think it's pretty cool. I think i10X can save you guys a lot of time. It can certainly save you a lot of money versus paying for dozens of other AI tools. And I'm going to start using it for my own business. So I'm pretty excited and I wanted to share it with you guys. But that kind of brings me to my next point and how I want to wrap up this video, which is who should really be using a tool like i10X? And really, there's a couple of use cases here, but the first would just be that anyone who works in marketing, digital marketing of some kind, should be using something like i10X. Again, this thing is packed with features which can help you create awesome assets, help you market more efficiently, save time and money. So if you work in marketing in any way, shape, or form, I definitely recommend trying out i10X. And this kind of ties into the second use case, which would just be anyone who works in e-commerce. I'm really impressed by how i10X can create advertising assets for e-commerce operators. Again, it's very cheap, it's very quick. So if you work in advertising and you want to refresh your creatives, I would also give i10X a try. And then the third use case, it's more broad, but it would just be anyone who likes using AI tools but wants to be more efficient and also lower their costs. Again, one thing that's very nice about i10X is you don't have to pay for so many other subscriptions now because they're all housed within one single tool, and plans start at just $8 a month. And once again, you can use that discount code to get even cheaper monthly plans. And so really, if you're a business owner, a digital marketer, or you're just a side hustler who wants to work smarter and not just harder, I definitely recommend giving this AI tool a try. Like I mentioned, I'll also be linking them down in the description box, and I'll have that promo code there as well if you guys want some extra savings. It helps support the channel as well, so thank you guys in advance if you decide to sign up. But yeah, that's really how you use i10X, guys. I've been having a ton of fun testing out new AI tools, so subscribe if you haven't yet because I'm going to be covering a lot more AI side hustles and clever AI tools you can use to hopefully make more money online. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.